Ladies and gentlemen, I am overwhelmed with gratitude to have been selected to receive this award titled The Ultimate Contributor. I am so honored to have my work recognized in this way by Western Philippines University. Many hours went into bringing in a sense of reassurance that I have lived up to the ideals and values that this great university has imparted to generations of students. And it means so much to me that the work that I am so passionate about also resonates with others. I must believe that my contributions over a sustained period of years will help students to grow, like providing adequate resources and training to develop their skills and progress their careers. I must believe I have the knowledge, skills, ability, and values to lead. I have the technical expertise and I am the highest performing individual contributor in this university. In terms of providing a good services to the students, I think I have all those things, but it only matters how I believe in myself. I have faced several challenges on my way here, but each one of them has only strengthened me to make me the person I am today. Winning this award would not have been possible without the inspiration I have received from my seniors and my colleagues, from whom I have the deepest respect and from whom I have derived the strength to challenge myself and perform better at each stage. I have been so very lucky to have had people in my life that have both inspired me and influenced me along the way. I have had wonderful mentors and colleagues who instilled in me the love for this profession. I had the pleasure of working under Juliet Vergara, who molded me of what I am today. She given me some advice, most of which was good. I enjoy a very supportive administrator, mayor, and board who have placed a great deal of trust and latitude in me over the last 10 years. I have a wonderfully supportive family, my mother and stepsister, who despite my poor never stopped believing in me. My grandmother, who also decided on a career in teaching profession, has helped me stay grounded. And of course, my only daughter and my husband, who are my everything. Last but not least, thank you to WPU for offering recognition to me. I hope that this recognition of my work can serve as an inspiration to others in the field. So, whatever has put me here today is the product of many people who have gone out of their way to help. All of you are the reason I'm getting this award, and I wish I could share it with each and every one of you. This award means a lot to me because it symbolizes my alma mater's abiding sense of trust and in recognition of my services as an educator. I will continue my efforts to lead student services at a higher education facility. Look forward to establish programs to retain students' engagement for many years to come. I am humbled and appreciative. Thank you, and let's keep winning together.